Nobody plans that pivot. It finds you. This is a real story. The wins, the 2 a.m. client calls, and the year I almost quit. Let's talk about the agency years. It started as a digital marketing agency. For 5 years, that was the entire business. Meta, Google, and TikTok. I lived inside these ad platforms every single day, managing budgets, chasing ROAS, explaining to founders why their cost per click doubled overnight. Here's what nobody tells you about an agency life. It is not at all glamorous. It's spreadsheets at midnight. It's a client messaging you on a Sunday because their ads look weird. It's a winning campaign for someone else and getting an invoice, nice invoice paid. And that's it. No equity, no compounding upside, just the next month's retainer. But here's what it did: a front row seat, brand after brand, market after market, wasted ad spend, budgets leaking into audiences that never converted, carts abandoned with zero recovery system. I watched it happen 50 times before it clicked. This wasn't a them problem, it was systematic. That insight didn't come from a business school case study, came from 5 years of doing the work and the pivot. So we built Wittelsbach.ai, an AI system that detects exactly where ad spend is being wasted across Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snapchat and recovers abandoned carts automatically. Same problem I would be solving manually for years, except now it's software, it scales, it doesn't sleep. I brought in Santosh as co-founder and CTO. We built the first version of everything I would learn firsthand. A theory car tissue it is. Today, we have worked with 150 beta brands across 15 countries, and now, on average, we are seeing brands recover close to 47% more revenue from the same ad budget. That's the part that still gets me. The exact pain point that used to keep me up managing someone else's campaigns is now the product and the lifestyle nobody shows you. Because Instagram makes things look a highlight reel. It's not. Being a founder means your calendar is really never yours. Some days it's investor calls back to back. Some days it's sitting with your team, working through partnership structures until it's dark outside. Some days it's just me recording a podcast episode for Wittelsbach, talking to another founder about the exact same chaos I'm living. What does stay consistent mean? I still make time for the things that keep me sane: workouts, cars, building content, learning constantly. I studied engineering, then went and studied luxury brand strategy in Paris. Two different worlds, and somehow both show up in how I think about building a brand today. The lifestyle isn't freedom in the way people assume. It's control over what you stress about, not whether you stress. And 5 years ago, I was optimizing someone else's ad account. Today, I'm building the thing that makes that job obsolete. If there's one thing I would tell someone starting out, don't wait for the big idea. Get close to a real problem. Live inside it long enough, and the right idea will find you. If you are a founder in the trenches right now, this is your sign to keep going. Subscribe if you want the real, unfiltered version of building a company, not the highlight reel. I'll see you in the next one. And this is Abhishek Pininti, the raw version building Wittelsbach.ai. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and it gives me a lot of support to make real and raw content like this more and more. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you for your support.